A good evening. Opinion on the positive and the negative effects of the technology on the environment. My name is Adriana Silva. I am from the Business Administration Care of the Jose Acevedo Healthcare in the United Kingdom. The activity to be carried out is shown below. I mind with the impact the technology has had on the environment is to transform the human environment whether natural and social to better adapt it to human needs and desire. This process uses natural resources as land, air, weather, material, energy sources, and people with provide the information, labor, and maker of technology activity. Reason with if we look and thus they might or may not be reversible, which with coal music in taking a natural of incorporating more than is it able to replace or eliminate bit is itself. For example, if a thread is cut down, unless one must be planted. If organic was is thrown into a river, the amount should not exceed its natural degradation capacity. Technology has simplified several aspects of our existence, but it has not contributed much to improving the condition of the planet in which we live in the not too distant future, where we can invest technological advance in opportunities for improvement where there will be projects that should solution to people source and problem of global warming. Among these, recycling machines, solar light plants, system to capture plastic in the ocean of nanosponges to absorb oil made or future on the planet. With ingenious technology we can call on a planet of counted a technology would always taking care of our environment ambient. Thank you.